This is our Mega Mass Chest Leverage Pro, which is a flat converging chest press and decline converging chest press as well. Now, it's also bilateral or unilateral, depending on how you want to set it up. And we do have the two handle grips, a bit more neutral here, which I personally like a lot. And obviously we have great adjustability on this machine as well. So depending on whether you want to do flat or decline, I would set that up first, jump into position. We want to make sure that the handle grips in neutral grip position gives us a bit of a tuck, and we're not so low on the seat that we're out here, and then also so high that we're, oh my God, that we're down here. So again, that seat height right, so that our elbows are right behind our hands. If we're too low, they'll be very externally rotated, won't feel right. If they're too high, we'll have a really open angle at the elbow. And so this seat height actually is really good for me. To adjust the seat, we've got a pin at the back here, right behind the chair, and you just pull it out, adjust. Make sure you got your hand on the chair so you can adjust it nicely. And then to adjust it into a decline position, you've got this angle here. And that runs into decline there as well. Make sure that the pin is clipped in, and you've got your decline press as well. Now, the seat height's probably going to need to change a little bit when you go into decline versus flat, so make sure you get that right as well. And you've got a point in between as well, and then completely flat. Now, don't just load this up like you load up a normal decline press. It is quite a heavy machine with no weight on it. You've got the two loading points here. You will get slightly more stretch position if you load them to the top, and slightly more contracted position if you load them at the bottom. Now, if you want these to run bilaterally, you would use this pin. So this pin, they work together or independently, one at a time. Totally up to you how you want to set it up. At the moment, I'm just running them independent and loading them pretty evenly through these 2 points. We also have starting position adjustable there, and also on the other side as well. I'm short, I like to get it all the way back. When I'm going really heavy, I just get someone to give me a little unrack, and that looks like just getting me out of that bottom position on the first set, and then they can sort of step out of the way and I can do my set. It just saves me from having to use shitloads of energy to get out of that bottom position on that first rep. Now, setup wise, which we explained a little bit before, is my perfect position here. And we want to make sure that we're getting as much range of motion as we can. So we're not setting this machine up all the way back here, but then only using range out here. There's no point. You want to get as much of that stretch position as possible and as much contracted position as possible. So using the full range of motion. And that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy, train hard, get an unrack if you're going nice and heavy and you feel like you're using too much energy on that first rep.